If you want your little kids to learn how to do big research, you're going to want these 5 tips. Number one, it's a team effort on snow or music or trains or whatever they want to study. When kids live the process of learning together, they get all kinds of ideas about what they want to learn about later on in their own personal research. Number two, it starts with good books. So whether you're reading the ABCs of helicopters or of baseball, you're going to discover lots of interesting things that kids are going to want to question and learn about and share with others. Number three, your research naturally moves into doing and drawing. So, whether they're folding snowflakes and learning about symmetry, or whether they're catching insects to observe them, their learning is going to impact their whole lives. Number four, encourage them to add words right together. One of my favorite kindergarten classes could not get enough of trains. I didn't know anything about trains. So we found great books, and every day we would read. And after, we would move to our writing workshop area, and there the kids would negotiate and collaborate to come up with one sentence that captured the learning for the day. There would share the pen, and each child would write the word best they knew how and with the advice of their classmates. And that way we came up with lots of great ideas. They talked about different types of trains, who invented trains, the history of trains, how to make train tracks, and so much more. We all learned together. And number five, listen to their ideas. As all of their pages about trains stacked up on their big book stand, every time I would come over, I would accidentally knock those over. What are we going to do with all of your things? We can't let them get messed up. So the children brainstormed and came up with the idea of taping all of their pieces of paper to different poster boards. And that is how we began our very first expert project together. And all of this is how you can introduce your kids to big learning too.